na bugensemeria YouTube na bogotonyera buna Ndizi TV News. Sonsi tikanyora mangana yuwano asinchira yoko ya chota.
Tunataka amani kwa mji wa Keroka. Tumeenda kotini ili koti ije decide mahali boundary iko.
Na kiyabire gusogota igwana gati ya county ya Kisii ya Nyamira nigo kogenrete gotogota soko bunoro bebe Keroka nero erengire.
Focusing on the power of purpose, aligning value and leadership. Through our Equity Group Foundation and our partners, we do arrange these conferences every year for Form 3s and 4s.
Aboro kiwa Form 3 na Form 4 kuruwase chinkazili chintaka bagosirwa na Wings to Fly wetera sevingi ya Equity niko bagenrete konyora amaigerio.
Sielewi ni kwa sababu gani Baba Raila Amolo Odinga amekatazwa kuenda kuangalia kule katika pale ambapo mili imezikwa.
Mimi sikuruhusiwa kuingia. Hii ni madharau sana baba. Madharau kubwa sana.
Serikali ni manyeteka nreta asirina niliyashaka Ola County ya Kilifi Raila Amolo Odinga tanguru gosoa aserina nilio. Asayomo nenda mangi saranso ikibono kumanya senchera ayobo ikirano litoko bwatera nere wetera somuno bwimanyiriro gakoro kwa Joshua Auta iritira n'inchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Igotoko chake mesa ya mangana maya kurwa seke gambiro kimuchobo songe meye county ya Kisii asokonyara kumurekera amangana lengeteki na kebwatera netyo kurusigo kwa maiso ko mwana sagine oyubona bata kurusigwa amaiso gati stariki 13 stariki 14 mutinyo 12 mwaka wita obwikiri bubere na 22 abakeguro batatu abo bono bagotebekana kubwatera na sokonyara kumurusia amaiso mwana yo ni gaseri tukuliero baikabosu beke gambiro kunyara kwegerera asege kole kyo kolekante chinga kecho omwaka wetu mutinyoko o 12 gati yabo abakaguru abungamo na Pacifica Nyakirario Rairi Nyakirario na boigo amono mukagarundi ni gobono baikabosu muno chebina Christine Oweno asabanyara gosomero mamo chabo kolene batata obonsi ni gobakana bunamba ikiranitike karekyo egia kolekana tabono chinse ya mojiri chekiruma higotoka sub county ya Marani meye county ya Kisii na bokolenga no muno chebino bwate kinagiri tukolia lero aseke gambere kenane gia Kisii negate yabune kinaende nigo kirachi kotegererwa stariki 27 omutinyi go gatano omwaka yego bwekiri bubere na 23.
So I don't think she was there on that day.
No, I didn't. Yeah, kids are maternal to the family. No, I didn't know. Huh? That is your work. When I'm road and I'm here, and yeah, we did it that going on. Pacifica, not certain now. Pacifica just passed outside the house.
So at what time was that?
She said in the challenge. Yeah, it is that. That was 1 p.m. Saturday. Yes, sorry, that was 9 a.m.
Not 1 p.m. again?
She said it was like 9.
Submissions. Upon service, the prosecution and the victim shall have 14 days to file and serve their submissions in response. The counter convention on the 26th of May this year confirmed filing of submissions and for highlighting of submissions by parties. Much of that.
Na gotigana nekina kebwatana tabakagiro obatato wale Alex Ochogo Pacific Nyakeradio nre Nyakeradio ni gotogo so ikensemende mutaka kumurikiraria agendrete gokorekani tukulia rabuna botambe aneke register kisano mutinyo gatano ni gotoko nyara kunyara basubati ane wali bakunyara konya basubati ekero bakogonkia gosekero bakoibura korengana no munyagitari yibono mayete na Dr. Julie Nyanchama ni gati na basubati abono bakonya basubati wanda so kuibura ni gobale bengenchi mono na kubulia serikali nyare kuba inyora kubwatakana buna nigo bakonyara gokonya basubati chinga kicho kuibora nabego chinga ki kyokogonkia
Erietaria Nenzuli Nyanchama Nyamao oyobodi kerokyo bo women rep wa Kisii County nando yoro munyagitari wabangina n'abana bake igontete kuira dibageri nganeria abanyagitari baito abateresa abo bakoroka abanyagitari bari bagokonya bangina chinga kichiri bakonkia abana baganegiri tukurigia dia International Midwives Day rero neri tukotogochengera egasingia abanyagitari ababere bagokora eso gokonya bangina baito chinga kichiri bakonkia abana nando kurigerina bangina baito tibabasa gosiria magimabo chinga kichiri bakonki n'abana babasa gosira chinga kichiri bakonkiwa komenda nayo abanyagitari aba babere bakorigereri n'abana baito nonye bakoiburu tibachi batware oborema buribo goja gwetera enchireriyo kubina chinga kichintambe egere wareta oborema muroboto korokana cerebral palsy oborema bodio konyorana abana tibai konyara gukwana bwangu tibai konyara gutara bwangu tibai konyara kuba muna abana bande okoba yo gutanyora oxygen chinga kichiri bakoiburu igontete gusaba serikali yetu ye county erigererina yarikira abanyagitari abanga bateresa nande gwetania abu erigererina yabaire yo kurigeringa ke abanyagitari abo bakonyora chisemi in service training egere bagende gokorega singia yo gokonya bangina baito na gokonya gesakugitu kyo mu Gusii okoba igasiria bangina ba Gusii abanyagitari abo bateresa bagokora gotemere kurigereri ngaki a generation yegesaku ekoba
umusangirekano obokuru maegerio gochia saboro kyo bali bale kirasi 10 mona kirasi 12 gose form 3 na form 4 aho bakuru chinka chintaka bagosirwa nebengi ya Equity gotera somoro bali wings to fly nigo genda sirito kulia kabere ase skuru ya abamura ya Kisii kolengana nebengi nigo gotabuna nchiremo yo kunyara korwa chinchera chogo semia boroki wabo maiga yoko basira aso kolibi ya samate mwabo likonyara kwegendera na masomo na kunyara kumaya chinchera chobo yubuya uno mulikito Josephat Amisi agotumanya
Asili tukulia kabirerero imeye skuru ya Kisii High nigo abana gwetane liwe ya mone chiminye bagenda toka bakonyora magireo igoro yoburai ise yebengi ya Equity ase omorobelio olia o wings to fly.
We're on the second day of the mentorship program, which is focusing on the power of purpose, aligning value and leadership. So this year we were focusing on leadership because we want our students to become leaders in this dynamic country in the years to come, and that's not far away. So that was the purpose today, tomorrow, and hopefully after this the students will go back.
Gukwana ase omoyego yo Jackton Onyango oyonyara kobaga wikirana libakalia elia Paul Mwangi niganyara kobaga koerera buna aso mwakoyo nigo ebengi yonyare kobaga kobeka bene amaigelio igoro yokoena na chimbwa chubura igochia ase abana banyare kobaga konyeka nomorobelio yo o wings to fly
and partnering with the county education team and to make sure that we offer direct mentorship, some of them on one-on-one situations, so that we keep them grounded.
Nonya nabo omumanager bwe ebengi ya Equity orosagerwa Kisii Robinson Mirieri nigatabiro morobelio yo onyare koboko baletamo abana anene kurwa asorogongorwa South Nyanza gati ya Nyamira na Kisii nabo igo chinsemo cha migori ase ekerenga gyo koena na chimbwa chingia anene ase obotenere bwo bwima bwabo bwakira lituko
Tomia bali ese program elia ito ya Wings to Fly na elimu scholarship eto kora amone serikali ya Kenya abana tobwatega igarero ebale libwe Eyemo angena 400 bonus pibaruete chi county chiagaiga tobwate county ya Omabay Migori Nyamira na Kisii na bakeba kurukuru Transmara aserero amatuka ya tatu todeto gosomia abana aba igoro y'ubugambi bobwata masikani na endi bobwate chimbu chingiya chiragera abana bekera bakorire skuru bache koba abana inchi abaya na ritoranyara korosia ense yaite chikoba bia igo asebo
nigo oboteneri bw'ebengi ya Equity bwanyareko bokoerera anene omukia abana bwanyareko bagokora na kwenekia buna bwanyareko bagosoa ase chikollege ne university imena isiko yense ya Kenya.
We have seen great success with over 82% transition from high school to university, and this keeps driving us to do more and more for the poor and needy children in our societies. Most of these children need constant and regular mentoring to keep them focused and to keep them in shape, because education is not enough.
Gati ya bali banyarako bagoikirana asomo yegoyo nigo bagokera emerobelio yebengi ya Equity na boigo kugania abana banyarako bagokonyekana murobelio yo banyarako bakobeka omokia ase chisemi chabo chia kiralituko.
We do one day stand here as a role model to the rest. I have the scholars who are now working at the Equity. Last year they were with you here, and now they are here. They are now your role model. Last week I'm leaving you by this one. Ask yourself, who am I? And finally say, yes I can.
Kuripotiri kataseni Ndizi TV kuri skuru ya bamure ya Kisii School yego toka ime county ya Kisii eliterana Josephat Hamisi.
Biyemono omurikito Josephat Hamisi sorobochirwa senchero yowekerane anasa mangana rengete chisemi gotigana mangane chisemi wono tigatomurekera mangana rengete siasa ikase county ya Nyamira somo jegabwa matanga woko moenia oyore ngino mu women rep county ya Nyamira igokorekana litukolia rasabarai aho babagwikirana gati ya Sabina Shege amora barai bande nigo baikirana somo jegabweli tukelia asenkwana na boigo nasa mangana rengete siasa nigo wana mangana jubilia murekerwa na boigo okobuna ko orobebe gati ya county ya Kisii na Nyamira ngati yali nyaraga ko kwanerwa asomujego abweli tukulelero uno mulikete kurwase county ya Nyamira Job Maangi agotomanya
nigo liberera linene ria siasa liabasa matanga yoko mwenya ngina omo women rep county ya Nyamira Jerusha Mumanyi ensemo ya Nyagancha ebunge akichuchu masaba county ya Nyamira
Gusii tete ngotumenege nteka magyoka wendo tebi omugaba na simbarati atige gototomera sungusungu keroka
Muskenya mbege gisesa ntoma iskwe bisa samana eji boundary wacha tutumikie watu wetu kwanza ntoraro buya kabisa ne county government yetongo kolere asina county ndichigokora
Egati abarai baikirana asense meyo no munyakero gontenenera bwe kiama kya Jubilee Sabina Chege omubunge osauti Mugirango Silvanus Osoro Anthony Kibagendi kurwase kitutu chache South Josh Nyamoko kurwase bunge ya North Mugirango omokonyi bo mugabana we county Nyamira James Gesami nabarai bande ekero siasa igore oboteneneri bwe kiama kya Jubilee chigenda tekoreta liberera nigo mubunge omochore o Jubilee Sabina Chege asaba umurai Jeremiah Kioni gusika bande.
Nataka kumuomba mheshimiwa Kioni, hizo barua naandika nyingi achane nazo. Leo kulikuwa na disciplinary committee na hiyo aende akae pale bila wataamua kama chama tutaheshimu.
Boigo abarai baikirana aroro mbamusaba omwaziri wejisemi Ezekiel Machogu
tigatwatebanie kene tari boigo einere ministry to bwate tigatokorere gasi atorwanirire abari baito banyore chi promotion abana baito banyore chi gasi
onya kwayo ri bagokore gasi na ino korere gasi engia asegesaku wekatorra matunda aho barimu bariku nane nateba onde bwezi ore serikali enene ore CEO ore kindi gions konya abana ba minonka ekinone na inu bogavana tata iti president bono mungentereria chia itali na acha no muomani no kora kende na rose tibese chiae ono ira ngora gose bana bamito wake tiko mugako yo akore bitu bya ngora
abara yabumbasaba eserikali kurigereria oboya igoro ya monchererio ayo akolirwe ase chibese chikene no gocha sabana be university
formula that has been proposed for higher education funding. We suspect that the government is going to be mischievous. What we want to say is this: the assessment of vulnerable, needy or very needy should be self-done.
Mwambie national government, hii maneno ya kupunguza ati ampatii help university students, you need to restructure that. Mokonya bantu baminto korugusiga.
Kubwatekana no kungusana na kogendera igatie county Nyamira na Kisii abarayimba asaba kubwate cinjira cy'umurembe
igore boundary twende tutafute njia kera nduna abantu bantu tomedo jiskimwa abandi tomedo jibosonga abandi kerase tutafute njia mwafaka ili tusughulikirege ndeikapsa
ngere mata munango pima nje mane jitibwa boso kwekera ngo kwana ense menye ngere mate ganya mirere tali yaso be mate yato kwana kene Kisii county to bwate chi sub county kianda nkyo montare migeri eseme ya moye para okogimiria mwana mino eseme ya me para ko bwate Nyamarambe ko bwate Sengera ko bwate Kenyenya
Kurwase county Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi
Mbiyamuno mulikito kurwase county Nyamira Job Maangi hasaroboti rwasenchera ayobo ikirano gotigana y'uru mwanchu muligiro mura Vincent William Samuel Ruto niga mwarigano mo chancellor Vincent ya Germany aiga sense ya Kenya manikante buna all of scores aso kunyarago twarege karo kyabe na gusanga sobwa makolenga no mura Vincent William Ruto niga terubuna ense ya Germany na Kenya nigo bagendrete gotingyo bwa matobu ya naso kunyarago kinya mangana rege tobu nchiriya nabuga sonyara kubwatira na semirobeli aho gekirania magendro naboigo amangana rengete ogosira abasa kolengana na Ruto niga terubuna okubwatira no gwechinse chikonyara goikirania mange aiga sense ya Kenya ligo litanga ni hanyara gote yabuna eganga yabenega no gochugotwara na gotinyu bwamate asane batebire buno bonchurira ngati yali bagochukumulekera sokonyara gokine uchumi gati enseli ya Germany na boiganense ya Kenya.
As a country, we believe in the rule of law, and whatever Germany is doing to put together a legal regime that allows legal immigrants, people of good standing, to access opportunities for employment in Germany is a very welcome development for us in Kenya. We do not find that there is a contradiction at all in demanding that those who are illegal, those who are not good, should be repatriated to wherever they came from. And therefore, our position, and we have discussed this with the Chancellor, is that while you open opportunities for Kenyans to work in Germany, and the Chancellor was gracious enough to tell me that there is an opportunity for close to 250,000 people to work in Germany from different countries. We would value that opening, but we will also undertake that any persons from Kenya who do not measure up to good standing and are against the law in Germany, they would be returned back to Kenya.
Na gotigana na mangana harengete hasiasa kurwase county ya Nyamira buno mulikete Job Mange aberega kuarigania century yobime tigatumulekera libona gende tokolekana chinse mo chinde bono maiga ayogo sidia ko gimabwaye omotakanwa oyobono mektabuna mukami kimathi oyo kabere mu rugo ya dene kimathi oyobono temete kurwandira obosiboli bwense ya Kenya chingo kichia mau ni gobone serikali lichimbero kuligia omubere odeda kimathi bono bachikoene gwa amono murugyo ye anchinga kemerobelere kirane ayaniga gocha asekeriyo murugyo yo yomanyakanete bona mukami kimathi aberega kuligyo mubiri bumo sacho yanyare koyoenia ase myaka yonse atanya koyonyora bona barayi kurwa sensemo ao ane konsemo ya Mount Kenya ni gobagania serikali kumgetambukero na kuligyo mubiri odera kimathi libachikoene gwa mono mongno yachinga kichyomo yega wa matango muliketo dipona sanya na mange.
Serikali Ensa ya Kenya nigo yamurerero omong'ina Nyagusii Mukami Kimathi oyu orenge omong'ina abo yamo bari barwanirete obosibori bwa Ensa ya Kenya bamanyekanite buna Mau Dedan Kimathi ase abarai aho bakorawa n'omurai bwense gutuma magombo gochese family eyo asomo konyo Rigathi Gachagua anyara kwene kianga serikali neche kubwaterana ne family elio kwene kianga emirobiro yonsi yokweni wakwae kwabeire okuya.
For those of us who are conversant with this struggle, we want to say it's a very great loss, because all of us have been rallying behind Mukami as our mother and as a symbol of our resilience and our struggle. And we therefore want to say that the family is assured of government support during the preparation of the burial itself, and thereafter as we proceed on.
Nyagusii nigasira kabwate myaka 95 nomo asasire nyagitare ya moime yo mucho Nairobi abo tukobogo kirarero asabagotebanga ni gatware to muchando bugosinyako yano kukwerirete amakweri aya. Amathe ya Kimathi amone serikali bono nigo bang'ero botuki kurigio mubere Nyagusii Dedan Kimathi elio onyarekoretwa na gutinde kwanka asabagotebanga korwa baigwete nga ogosira kwa beire mbamanyeti asatindegetwe.
Lived her life with fortitude and consistency. Never at one time did she change the ideals which she stood for and which even her late husband Dedan Kimathi was surely stood for. And further, I want to say that I believe firmly that it is still possible. Committee is not a whole country. It's a small place. It is still possible, probably with the support of the British government, to identify the actual place where Dedan Kimathi is buried. We exhume the remains of Dedan Kimathi, and as we bury Mukami Kimathi, we should have two coffins, that one of Mukami Kimathi and that one of Dedan Kimathi. May our Almighty God rest her soul in eternal peace.
Nyagusii Mukami ni gagotebekana koba omuntu bwokorario marembe amo no bosibore gochia asabantu bonsi. Kuripoteri ya gitaseni Ndizi TV eletaya nendipon Asanya.
Mbiyamono omurikito dipona sanya sorobochirwa senchera yoboyekirano ntore no kwegana ende ntoganete kuligere ko serikali nechikanyoro muberoje Dedan Kimathi gotigana yuno moncho murigereya korwa sorogongoro na muno chinsemo chinde omurikibwe kyombekeri kyabakoli merimo koti Francis Atwoli ni gobono airoko boke serikali asogochikona cyabakoli merimo kibese cyabo gasekerenga isato asemia wose 3% ekibono kigo konya sobwaga kiwe kinyomba agwetira sensemeri ya serikali asomurobuli omanyekete buna affordable housing ni goko se Francis Atwoli atebere bunene nchire yemo yabakoli merimo ya serikali banyabaranya ariko gacha kibese cyabo aniga gocheri tukeri muri kamaiga yekyombekeri kyabali mukupeti na nati kurasarongoro Gusii konyara kwamera lyo kuna chogwe kibesa cyabo ekigo konya sobwaga kibwe kinyomba cyekerango gense go affordable housing naboni go kumusana bona ko genderete kati yabo kremere mu beserikali nabo igo kurwa sensemende ye serikali abo barinekerenga goche kubana cha kibese cyo.
One of the things he said 3% is just like saving. Your employer will also put on 3%. That is true. It will attract government's interest.
Yes.
The government has put in more than 5 billion to supplement on that 3%. It will assist in development of housing, and eventually if you want your money, you will get it with interest, together with what your employer would have added on that money. So in total it will be 6% plus interest with maximum of 2,500. So for us who are unionized, that is not a big deal. Because so with us, we have money. We are increasing our members' money. If you are from a trade union, if you are not from a trade union, shauri yako. Because they are the people who pay for this electricity, people who pay for everything here. So when you say 3%, when the salaries have not been increased, to who?
Na bona nsemo ya banajeshi niko chikonyorobora yobu ya maiga yo kabeire omokonyi bumotini wa banajeshi oyo manyakante buna Francis Ogora kanyariba gali ya bene koira alibaga aliyaye oyo lenge omotini ni omanyakana Robert Kibochi niko wanaki nitugwe kerogo na boigo omokonyi yo kariba gali ya bene gochi kubate na banajeshi aiga sense ya Kenya omoyega bo kunyara kumwaligani ya gochi ya sobora ibwa yobu yana kwa omotini wa banajeshi oyo manyakante buna General Francis Ogola niko kolekana ase egetikeri kia Ulinzi Sports Complex Somochi Nairobi. Ekera yuagendrete umurandi ya Paul Mackenzie wa mono murugio ye Roda Mumbuha maweu na abande niko baikiwa bose bekegambero litukuria lero eliko nyara gukwana igoro yoboiti na boigo nemebere yabereke gotindo kurensemeli ya Shakahola ase county ya Kilifi bose bekegambero niko bayaba kwegerera asokodo botuko imebagendrete eliko nyara kumanyana ki ya nyarikanete emebere yugotoka asenseme yo matukama koka gucha magensemeli yo kwa meresere kali goze azimio 1 Kenya konyara gote yabune serikali wikimukige tambokero asengana yabake okolekana ensemu ya Shakahola na bomurandi Mackenzie ni garagana ndo kabusubeke gambiro eliko nyara koera soboime igoro yemebere gotoka goitani Eyemo na 10 ensemu ya Shakahola chinsemo chirichia Kilifi. Gotikara boigo asamangana lingetino boitini mebere gotoka nsemu ya Shakahola county ya Kilifi ni gobono omuraiwe kemake odi Emirera Moro Odinga muna abwatani bande bakoreta roika nsemu ya Shakahola seli nani ya Shakahola abwasamanya banyaro chinga kichinga nguma ya sinko nguma ya yogo tanchirwa goso ase chimbere chi abwasemebere yabereke gotindo kurana na boni go abwatani bazimio na bona abwatani bande nabara bande kurwa nsemu ya Kilifi banyara ko ikilingane yuna kuboli na sekerera Moro Odinga atanchiru goso aseli nani Shakahola egento ikirabone egetekereta mpuli gocha saba Kenya nabona abwatani bande bazimio kolengana bara bekirana asenseme ya Shakahola ngo batebiria serikali gwesoke na gukwana kiriyemanyete igoro yemebere goitani Eyemo na 10 gotindo kuroka chinseme chichi ya Shakahola asona na bara Moro Odinga tebire buna nogo chayo konene asere gotangwa gotancherwa goso asenseme yo ya Shakahola.
Sasa hawa ni waziri alitangaza eneo hili kuwa ni eneo la uchunguzi na akatumia kizungu disturbed area, lakini hakufungia mtu.
Mtu ambaye anaheshimika, mtu ambaye ana command watu wengi zaidi hapa ndani ya Kenya. Sielewi ni kwa sababu gani Baba Raila Amolo Odinga amekatazwa kuenda kuangalia kule katika pale ambapo mili imezikwa.
Ndio tuone ile makaburi. Umesitisha vyombo vya habari wasiende. Red Cross mmewazuia.
Lakini mambo ya kusikitisha ni kwamba wabunge wanaweza kuruhusiwa kuingia, mimi siwezi kuruhusiwa kuingia. Hii ni madharau
sana baba.
Ni madharau kubwa sana.
Imenifadhaisha sana. Komanda wa hichi kituo anatuambia, anasema hatutaingia. Kiongozi wa Kenya anakatazwa. Baba ameshinda pale. Masaa mawili anapigia waziri wa security, Mheshimiwa Kindiki. Ngoja na consult. Paka saa hizi Kindiki hashiki simu ya baba. Ni nini mnaficha? Serikali ni nini inafichwa hapa ndani ya Shakahola? Nilizungumza kule bunge. Mlijua. Watu wakastavishwa hapa, wakakosa chakula, wakafa wakazikwa. Hamkusema. Leo viongozi tumekuja, mnatukataza kuona yale makaburi yalifukuliwa watu wetu. Ni nini mnaficha katika Shakahola? Uhusiano wenu na hizi maiti na Pastor Mackenzie ni gani? Mtuambie. Baba Raila Amolo Odinga to come visit this place. What is it? Mimi kama mama county, ni nini mnanizuia nisiingie? Maana nilizungumza pale ndani ya bunge, viongozi nyinyi wa serikali mnahusika. Na leo mnionyesha wazi mnahusika na historia ya Mackenzie. Hamwezi kunikataza mimi. Hamwezi kukataza baba na hadhi yake ya kitaifa, ya kimataifa. Mnamkataza kwa nini? Kuona makaburi peke yake. Hatuoni nini?
Gotigana yukuro chinsemo chiri chia Shakahola unarera moro dinga tangwa gosoa rinani ria Shakahola tigatumulekera ribona agendete okolekana chinsemo chinde abara ikuru asomo libu Azimio One Kenya tutigara kumulekera mangana chisemina bwego na siasa ase county ya Nairobi bakora no mo bunge Embakasi East Babo wino aseri tukulia robono nigo ba mochiri ya serikali ana sencheri yokubwato ka chibesa go chia se university.
The government must pay adequate capitation to all our students and stop hiding in high debt owed by our universities. That is due to corruption to deny deserving Kenyans a chance to good quality higher education. All parents, students, and Kenyans of goodwill must resist this attempt that is going to fail, like the infamous laptop project for all primary learners, for all primary school learners. The new higher education financing policy is a money laundering scheme and will go in history as the longest con, longer than the long con. In conclusion, should the government refuse to finance all students, and this at 100%, we are going to give directions on nationwide demonstrations soon. These demos will include all Kenyans, because in Kenya, you are either a student or a student to be, a parent or a parent to be, and the demos will start in Rift Valley region.
Deka ne meronge to monchu muligero chop to kirensemo yabono margoba ngachirenge no mutumo komo kenyora mache nkorena se ebire bikebiro bosie karobon to chugo sanga na komera na mase mona captain number 001 ndemo Steven kurenseme de chigo studio B atumaina liaga na tokolekana na kurasemo ye chigo solimani chana walipata kichapo la kijimamu namna gani kwenda sayo tumajuna ndemo Steven kwenda senche wacha nipunge unyonyo tomera.
Chumule kana kubatia mangana Amayia kurwa seketa kia Ndizi TV te onon kwale libena sa mangana Amayia ye chigosoli una botambe veteranende mo Steven captain 001 kocha kama mangana Amayia ye chigosoli kurwa ligi ya National Super League NSL awese timu ya Shabana FC ritkulia lero nyara kopeka chipoint ya meronge 5 neye mwakere gore ligi ya National Super League yema nyara kunye ikora timu ya Mwatate United egure ya Masevosa asevono Shabana FC kanete gusukange na kunyara gosoa ligi ya FKF Premier League. Kogenda sensemo ya kure ward ya Bosamara ward nige timu ya Muruga FC kogosori me league ya Nyanza Regional League batebire buna mbagendete kwero belibuya bosebwe ntunda ya kabere second league ye league ya Nyanza Regional League asego ikiraboniga bale namba ibera se league yeyo bale maiga ye timu ya Bomachoge Berabu FC yuwe tangaine me league ya Nyanza Regional League keran beaten.
Asa magitangoro Josephat Kichanga indo moro kyo manene bwe timu ya Muruga FC eye kogosoria semina na bya Nyanza Regional League zone B zone A sorry eye rase county ya Nyamira ward ya Bosamara kuna twakora first liga ndatebenga mupira naboro muya andake nabokora abo mokongwake ono niko tokonya kwegasa twabere twakogeta namba ya kabere nyuma ya umachoge ono tutetorage second league na kitoko chikwebanga tutete gukora signing ngeiga na konya korigi finances no manyete challenge ene ne chibesa konya kwegasa tokinero tobe na konyora tugitwebangire buya egere second league ko batonyora tokubwa chitimu chibiya egere tobe tokora namba entangani
togosoa league ya English